god. Okay, we're gonna get the nice shot. We're at Kampong Gelam Bazaar.
And today we're going to show you our top picks. Let's go!
Let's go! We got 2 beef roti from Golden Pao.
Ooh,
and it smells really, really good. Very juicy, savoury. And I think the best part is that the roti, it's like not too thick.
Nice and crispy. Can understand why there's a long queue. I just cannot wait to get into this chili oil, oh my gosh.
So much better. Not too spicy.
The heat is just nice. It's got a bit of like a, I don't know, vinegar kind of.
But the vinegar is not too strong.
Yeah, chili oil needs to be bottled.
Now we are on to the mains from Sumego. It's called Sumego because they use bone marrow. So bone marrow in Malay is called som-som.
It's a solid patty. I love the sauce.
Yeah, the caramelized onions is the best part.
Yeah.
When we lift it up, there's the som-som sauce, bawang goreng, which is fried shallots. I think jalapeno, like some type of chili. The flavour is really very different than any kind of like burgers I've tried. Thick and juicy.
This is like super juicy. We have the cream steak carbonara from
Go Ahead Ghost Time by Tarik.
I love the name. All the pasta is actually tossed in a cheese wheel after the pasta is cooked.
There's something about the spices that they use, almost very traditional, like Malay kind of like rempah. So we got 2 matcha drinks from Matcha Classic. I got myself the mango.
And mine is the matcha strawberry.
Good.
And I like that they whisk each portion of matcha at the store.
The 2 flavours does not overpower each other, the strawberry and the matcha.
And I think actually for the matcha mango, it's quite similar. It's not too strong. And then the matcha just comes in really nicely to round off the flavours. Croissant tarik. We really saved the messiest for the last. So what we have here, red velvet croissant, and it is toasted with lots of cheese inside and very lovingly drenched with this red velvet sauce. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, the cheese! Like dunk more sauce because I mean why not, right? Oh, look at it dripping.
Oh wow! Although it is soaked, right? The exterior of the croissant is still very crispy.
It's very crispy.
So the croissant is buttery as well. The sauce is sweet.
Cheesy, it's nice and gooey.
Yeah, it's nice and gooey, and the cheese is savoury, so it has a balance in flavour, I would say.
Get it all in there, all that pistachio sauce. Oh my god. You look like a hot mess, you know?
No, but they say messy is good.
These were our top picks from the Kampong Gelam Ramadan Bazaar.
Alright, till 25th March, so do come down.